Um, Here's my Royal 801 upright vacuum. It's pretty nice. It's not too good of aluminum like casting. There's some really cool features of this thing. It's obviously bagged. It can either be a shakeout or a disposable. I just use F&G in here because it's like standard for that little thing. I can use a oh, just hit me in the head. You can use Type C bags for Hoover C bags or F&G Eureka F&G bags, or any generic C or F&G bags. This is not your standard little step-on switch adjuster. This is a twist, like a screw. This thing comes fully out. If you just keep twisting to this, to the left, it will come right out. Obviously, I don't want this thing all the way out, so make sure I get it screwed in. It's the point where it lifts the vacuum up, or it lifts the back of the vacuum up so the nozzle gets adjusted. So, it's got the carbons come out from the sides. It's got a little unplug switch. I thought this thing was a really nice vacuum because once you take this bag off, it's got like a blue chrome or pearl blue. It doesn't look that good in person, but on camera it looks so nice. Looks like just a nice blue. I did try my best to clean it up. I didn't really try my best. I just went over it a little bit. Got some dirt out. It does make a rattling sound with this. With that plate on. So when that plate is on, it makes a very bad rattling noise. When it's off, perfect. I'll show you one more time with the rattling plate. I think that's because it's just really loose. Yeah, it's not anything to do with the brush roller motor. That's just a little plate so no dirt escapes. I don't know what this is for up here. This is not a headlight. I think it was like to fool you that there was a headlight, but it's really not. Or it might have been a headlight once, but I took it out. But in there is no light or anything. I don't know what it's for. So I just unscrewed it and see what was under there because I can't really see anything. It's got a pretty new brush roll. It's not bad. I think it's almost brand new. I think it was replaced. The brushes are a little bit dirty. They're really stiff though. It's just got a little bit of hair right here and there. That's for me running it a couple times. Okay. This thing uses I would just put in F&G or F&G style bags for this, or F&G bags, or Hoover Type C bags. You can get those the Type C bags and F&G bags in generic. You don't have to get genuine Hoover or Eureka. I just use sometimes I use genuine like in that Eureka. I put genuine Eureka. I order those bags off eBay. So where's this coffee cup here? This cord is a decent length. It's not really that long like my other Royal. Oh yeah, I remember why the coffee cup was here. I had to use this as a temporary tripod because my tripod cracked. So I dropped it from a high distance and then it just cracked. See if I can get a better view of it. No. Let's see, there we go. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna shut it on and just run it for you guys. Always hold the cord up, so you don't have to step on anything. Just switch on. It does do a pretty good job. Pretty nice job. I don't know why, but when I put my hand right here, it kind of like reflects and blurs. But this bag is really all worn. It's like dry rotted at the bottom. It had better days. Yeah, this bag has just had better days. So yeah, there's my Royal 801. I think it's an 801. I had a question. I don't know if anybody you guys know. Oh, my bad. Look, I keep doing it. It says right there. Let's get it to focus. Come on. Come on. There we go. Model 801. Serial number. It says 82 or 57K. I don't know which. Is it 1957 or 1982? If you guys know, just can you leave a comment, please? Because I'm really trying to figure this out. I looked on the internet. It didn't really tell me anything. So if you guys know, please let me know. So that's just the. Oh, it's the same at the bottom with the chrome. It's nice. It's a little bit like. This looks like a way bluer on here. It's on the without the camera. It's a little bit. Not. It's not really blue. Off camera, looks way bluer on camera, but it's really not blue. Okay. So there's the Royal 801 vacuum.